Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making some with shea butter. So you're going to start off with some lightly simmering water. You don't want it to be boiling, as you can see. And I don't really have measurements necessarily. I just fill up this little double boiler that I got. So I use I'd say half a cup of shea butter. You can use yellow or white. And then I use maybe same measurement, a little less of mango butter, maybe like a third cup of mango butter, and we're just gonna let that melt for a bit. I like to give it a good stir every so often just to make sure it's melting evenly. So once it's totally melted down, I give it another stir and I'm going to start adding my oils. So today I'm using coconut oil. That gives it a nice creamy texture. So here I'm using some neem oil, just a few drops. It has a very strong smell. And then I've got some Jamaican black castor oil, probably a teaspoon of that. And then finally I'm using some almond oil, and I would say about a tablespoon or two of that. So I'm just letting the coconut oil melt fully and giving another good stir. And once it's done, if you want to be a little extra, you can add some essential oils. Today I added some rosemary, maybe like 3 drops. And I stuck this in the freezer for about 20 minutes. So here she is, partially frozen, and I'm just gonna take a hand mixer and whip her up. And I just love the texture of the shea butter. It makes such a difference to whip it. And for color, I'm adding some hibiscus powder. It's also really good for your hair, but I just want my shea butter to be pink this time. So yeah, just a little. So yeah, I just love this consistency. Right now it's definitely very melty. This is before it solidifies, and so I'll go ahead and put my shea butter in a mason jar and let it sit for maybe like an hour or so before I use it. And here it is in the mason jar. So know that you don't have to use all of these ingredients in order to have a great whipped shea butter. You can just use straight up shea butter and coconut oil. So yeah, I hope this was informative and I hope you enjoyed watching, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching!